In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pink luxury Shopify website. We'll move from logging into your store to choosing a refined theme and then customizing colors, images, and typography so everything feels polished, cohesive, and premium. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Login, then sign in using your preferred method. If you manage more than one store, select the store you want to work on. You'll land in the Shopify admin dashboard, which is where all your design changes will happen. Next, open a new tab and go to themes.shopify.com. Browse for clean, minimal themes. Shopify's free options like Dawn and Sense are excellent foundations, and there are paid luxury themes if you want more built-in effects. Look for layouts with generous white space, strong typography controls, and support for large hero images and editorial sections. Preview a few options to see how they handle spacing, buttons, and product grids, and note whether the theme offers easy color and font settings so your brand choices are simple to apply. Once you've identified a theme style you like, return to your Shopify admin. In the left sidebar, click Online Store to open the Themes area, then find your current theme and click Edit. This opens the theme editor, where the left panel controls sections and the theme settings area handles global styles. Start with brand colors. In theme settings, open colors and set your primary to a soft pastel pink or a rose gold pink for that luxe feel. Pair it with deep charcoal or espresso for text to maintain readability and contrast, and keep backgrounds mostly white so the pink accents stand out. Use the primary pink sparingly for buttons, links, and highlights. If the theme allows, set a complementary hover shade and keep borders subtle. Move on to imagery. Luxury design relies on consistent high-end visuals. Choose photos with soft lighting, subtle gold accents, and pink backgrounds that match your palette. Keep the style unified across banners and product photos, and stick to consistent image ratios so grids look tidy. Upload high-resolution files, but compress them to keep pages fast, and add descriptive alt text to support accessibility in search. Finally, refine typography. Select an elegant serif for headings to signal sophistication, and a clean sans serif for body text to keep reading effortless. Increase line height slightly, add generous spacing between sections, and limit yourself to 2 font families for a cohesive look. Adjust letter spacing on headings for a lighter, airy finish, and keep button text short and legible. Preview on desktop and mobile, fine-tune spacing or contrast if anything feels heavy, then save your changes. You've now created a pink luxury Shopify website that feels modern, elevated, and unmistakably on brand.